In this tutorial, you'll learn how to view, compose, and send free unlimited in-app messages to your clients directly from your Creditfixrr dashboard. Inside of your Creditfixrr business dashboard, there are two ways to send in-app messages to your clients. The first way is to click the message icon next to a client to start a new conversation or continue an ongoing chat. Type your message in the input box to communicate directly with the client. Click Send to deliver your message instantly within the app. Your client is able to view your in-app message under their All Messages tab, where they can respond back to you or your team members. Your client can easily reply to your messages simply by typing within the input field. Client will click Send to deliver their message instantly back to you within the Creditfixrr app dashboard. The other way to access your in-app messages is by selecting the In-App Messages tab in navigation bar. This displays the in-app message list for all of you communications clients or partners. Simply click a client to open and respond to their latest chat. Click to send your drafted message to continue client communication. Your clients can access messages within the All Messages tab to quickly check for any new or unread chats from you or your team members. Great work! Your in-app messaging is always active, allowing you and your team to stay connected with clients and streamline communication in one place.